Jet Effect is pleased to exclusively offer Dassault Falcon 50, serial number 187, to the marketplace. The venerable Falcon 50 is well known for its rugged construction, versatility, and comfort. Featuring a stand-up cabin, the Falcon will cruise at speeds in excess of 430 knots and has a range of over 3,000 nautical miles. 3 Honeywell engines mean greater mission flexibility, whether operating out of a short runway, high elevation, or for long-range overseas flights. Outstanding features include upgraded Dash 3D engines, offering increased climb performance and lower operating costs. This aircraft has been meticulously maintained with excellent pedigree. The engines and APU are enrolled on Honeywell's maintenance service plan. The advanced cockpit of the Falcon 50 was designed with efficiency and safety in mind. Serial number 187 features the Collins IDS 3000 upgrade with 3 modern large active matrix LCD panels and integrated flight information, dual universal flight management systems, enhanced ground proximity warning, and traffic alert avoidance systems. The stunning 9-passenger executive interior is designed for functionality and flexibility and offers a forward 4-place club arrangement with 2 executive tables and an aft 3-place divan opposite a 2-place club. Beautiful high-gloss woodwork, elegant designer fabrics, brushed nickel hardware, and soft leathers are used throughout the interior. Other interior features include a forward full-service galley with warming oven, coffee maker, and lighted crystal display, air show in-flight moving map display, forward and aft 14-inch LCD monitors, and blue sky Iridium SATCOM. The aft enclosed lavatory includes a vanity and storage closet. The Dassault Falcon 50, serial number 187, exclusively offered by Jet Effect.